Hello, traders. Welcome back to our economic calendar update. Ready to see what's in store for the markets this week? Let's break down the key events and potential impacts to help you plan your trades with confidence. Starting with Switzerland's industrial production year-over-year data, releasing on November 18th at 1 p.m., the forecast suggests a contraction at minus 0.8%, a significant drop from the previous 7.3% growth. If confirmed, this contraction could hint at a slowdown in Swiss industrial activity, potentially impacting the Swiss franc negatively. Next, on November 19th at 3:30 p.m., Italy will release its current account data, expected to rise to 2,250 million euros from a previous 1,376 million. A higher current account surplus is typically positive for the economy, indicating strong export performance and potential support for the euro as it reflects a net inflow of foreign capital. Moving to a high-impact event on November 20th at 12:30 p.m., the United Kingdom's inflation rate year-over-year. With a forecast of 2.0%, up from the previous 1.7%, this could push the Bank of England to consider more aggressive rate hikes if inflation remains stubborn. We might see GBP volatility depending on how the actual data aligns with this forecast. On November 21st at 6:30 p.m., South Africa's interest rate decision is coming up. The forecast is set at 7.75%, slightly down from the previous 8%. If the rate is indeed lowered, it could signal policy easing to support growth, potentially impacting the South African rand as investors react to lower yields. Finally, on November 22nd at 12 p.m., we have France's HCOB Services PMI flash. Expected to rise to 52.3 from 49.2, this indicates expansion in the services sector. A reading above 50 generally signals growth, which could support the euro and boost market sentiment if it aligns with expectations. That's it for this week's must-watch events.